Hello guys and TV followers, you are watching TV program Let's Speak English from your favorite TV channel Bahoriston. Let's start. Dear TV followers, today we are going to study some more new vocabulary about the food and products. But first, let my students introduce themselves. Okay, what's your name?
Hello dear followers, my name is Muhammad Amin.
Good job. What's your name?
Hello guys, my name is Yusuf.
Good job. Next one. What's your name?
Hello guys, my name is Oisha.
Good. Next one. Introduce yourself.
Hello kids, my name is Haidar.
Good job. Dear TV followers, now my students try to introduce themselves and it means we are ready to start our lesson. Let's start it.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Hey there, my name is Mr. Aziz and you are watching TV program Let's Speak English from your favorite TV channel Bahoriston. Let's start. My dear little students, previous lesson we studied with you about different kinds of food. To be exactly 10 words about the food. In our today's program we are going to study more words about the food. I hope you remember all of those words which we studied with you and for today's our lesson you are ready. Let's start. My dear students, what do you remember about previous lesson about the fruit? Muhammad Amin, how many words do you remember?
Fruit, pasta, rice, oil, meat, eggs, milk, vegetables, and it's done.
Done, good job. Next one, Yusuf, how many words do you remember about food?
Fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs, oil, and done.
Eggs, good job. Next one, Oisha, how many words do you remember from previous lesson?
Vegetables, fruits, fish, meat, milk, and that.
Good job. Next one, Haidar, how many words do you remember?
Fish, milk, meat, eggs, fruits, pasta, and done.
Good job. Dear TV followers, now we understood that my students remember a lot of kind of food. And today we are going to study the second part, vocabulary about the food. You also be active and repeat with us. So, my dear little students, today we are going to study 10 more words about food. And the first of all, it is bread. Bread.
Bread is a staple food we make by mixing flour, water, salt, and yeast. Yum! Toast smells great. Bread.
Bread, it is a very tasty kind of food which is made of water, salt and flour. Bread. Good. After bread we have got the most delicious kind of food. It is ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream is a very cold food made from milk. There are many ice cream flavors like fruit, chocolate, or vanilla. It's so hot! I'd love some strawberry ice cream. Ice cream.
Good. Oisha, what's your favorite kind of ice cream?
I like chocolate ice cream.
Good job. Next one. Ice cream. Good. After ice cream, we have got another word. It is chocolate.
Chocolate is a brown, sweet food made from cacao seeds and sugar. There are many chocolate flavors to choose from, like milk chocolate, white chocolate, or dark chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate is usually made of cacao beans and it is very sweet. So we have got different kind of chocolate starting from the milky chocolate, white chocolate and dark chocolate. So chocolate. Good. After chocolate we have got jelly. Jelly.
Jelly is a sweet food made by cooking fruit with sugar and water. My toast with peach jelly is ready. Jelly.
We make jelly with sugar, water, and some kind of fruits, even vegetables sometimes. So, Muhammad Amin, can you tell me, what is your favorite kind of jelly?
It is apple jelly.
Good job. Okay. After jelly, we have got another word. It is soda. Soda. Good.
A soda is a cold drink. It can have different flavors, like orange or lemon. Soda.
Soda we usually drink when we are so hot or so thirsty. Soda. Good. After these words, we have got another word. It is cookie. Cookie.
Cookie. A cookie is a sweet food we make with flour, butter, and eggs. The baker is making cookies in the oven. They smell yummy, don't they? Cookie.
Cookies we can usually buy from the supermarkets and they are made of flour, butter and eggs. Cookies. Good. After cookies we have got another word. It is cake. Cake.
Cake. A cake is a sweet food made with a mixture of flour, eggs, and sugar. You can also add chocolate, cream, or fruit. I'm going to buy a birthday cake for my sister. Cake.
Cake, it is kind of food which we can usually see on the birthday parties. Okay, cakes. Good. After cake we have got honey. Honey.
Honey. Honey is a very sweet food made by bees. Honey.
Okay. Yusuf, how often do you eat honey?
I eat it every day.
Good job. Honey is a food which bees make it for us. So, honey. Next one, juice. Juice.
Juice. Juice is a drink we make by squeezing fruit. What do you like most? Orange juice or pineapple juice? Juice.
Usually we get juice from the different kind of fruits and sometimes vegetables. Haida, what's your favorite kind of juice?
My favorite kind of juice is apples.
Apple juice.
Yes.
Okay, apple juice. Good job. Juice. And the last word for today, it is yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt. Yogurt is a thick food made from milk. My favorite yogurt flavor is lemon. Yogurt.
My dear students, do you like yogurt? Yes. Good job. Now, dear TV followers, now we learned 10 more words about the food. I hope you liked it and you will repeat it at home. Now my students and I will repeat it for you. You also be active and repeat with us. Okay, one by one, let's repeat it. Bread.
Bread.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Soda.
Soda.
Good. Next one. Cookie.
Cookie.
Cake.
Cake.
Honey.
Honey.
Juice.
Juice.
And yogurt.
Yogurt.
Good job. Dear TV followers, now we repeat all the words which we studied today. And now it's time to sing a song. Let's sing a song.
1, 2, 3, 4. Na, 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 na. 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 I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays I eat apples. Mondays I eat apples. Tuesdays I eat pears. Tuesdays I eat pears. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Wednesdays I eat cherries. Thursdays I don't care. Thursdays I don't care. Na, 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 na. 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 I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. Every single day. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Fridays I eat mangoes. Fridays I eat mangoes. Saturdays some grapes. Saturdays some grapes. Sundays I eat berries. Sundays I eat berries. I think that fruits are great. I think that fruits are great. Na, 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 na. 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 Apples. Apples. Pears. Pears. Cherries. Cherries. I don't care. I don't care. Mangoes. Mangoes. Grapes. Grapes. Berries. Berries. Fruits are great. Fruits are great. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na,
My dear little students, now we sang a song. I hope you liked it and you also sang it with us. Now it's time to play the game. Let's play. My dear little students, now we will play with ball. There is one interesting game by name eatable, non-eatable. If I say something eatable, like food, vegetable, fruit or something like this, my students have to catch the ball. If I say something out of eatable, like desk, board or chalk, you don't have to catch a ball, or my students. If you are ready, we start. So my dear little students, the first word, we start with Muhammad Amin. Muhammad Amin, chocolate. Done. Good job. Next one, desk. Yusuf is out. Desk is it's not eatable, it is desk. Okay, next one, ice cream. Good, Oisha. Next one, chocolate. Good. Give it. Bread. Okay. Good. Next one. Milk. Good. Bowl. Haidar. Haidar is out. Okay. Next one. Milk. Good. Next one. Bread. Good. Okay. Ice cream. Good. Sugar. Goodbye. Fruit. Good. Board. Good, Oisha. Done. Next one. Book. Good. Nice. Okay. Milk. Good. Okay. Potato. Oisha is out. Give it to me. Good job. Next one, we have got soda. Good. Bag. Goodbye. So, dear TV followers, Haidar won at this game. Let's clap for him. Dear TV followers, now we finish our interesting game. I hope you liked it and you will play it at home with your parents. Unfortunately, our time is up and we have to say to you goodbye. Goodbye, guys.
Thanks for the meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Yum, 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 healthy meal. Yum, 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 eat it too. Let's have a healthy meal. Yum, yum.